I was out for a walk yesterday, and there was this young man, and he just like deliberately cut right in front of me. Right. So we were about this far from colliding. And I thought, oh, maybe he was absent-minded. Maybe this has nothing to do with me. And then I saw him deliberately. I was wondering why on earth he would veer over to cut me off and to trip me up. But then, maybe it has absolutely nothing to do with me. And then I saw up ahead of me a man, apparently a white guy, apparently talking to his wife. And this young man like cut right next to him, so it looked like he was about to collide with him. But then the young man just kind of tilted himself like that and missed the guy by about an inch. I mean, this guy was looking to provoke a fight. I remember when I went to Placer High School, this is the first time I'd really encountered this. And I was about 17, and we'd play Grant, which was an inner city school. They were in our district. And when we played Grant, right, members of the Grant school would come over to our section. Right, the two schools would have completely opposite seating sections, but they'd come over to our section to try to pick a fight. I moved to Baltimore in the summer of 1980. I was 14, and I spent most of that summer in the local library. And coming out of the library, I saw a young urban male like walking into the library, and I opened the door for him, and he just starts cursing me out left and right. And I said, like, what the heck, man? I was just doing something nice for you. I was opening the door. And he said, I hate what your people have done to my people. And it's like, wow, that's some intense in-group identity. I'd never encountered this intense hatred of white people before. And so on my walk yesterday, I saw this young man, and he was like deliberately cutting people off, deliberately like walking right up to them, making it appear as though he's about to hit them, and then just miss them by an inch or two. And so my immediate reaction wasn't rage, right? Or how unfair this is. No, my immediate reaction was, what kind of microaggressions has this young man experienced so that he feels compelled to act in this antisocial way? Like, how is he being brutalized by white supremacy and our racialized society? How is this man being robbed of opportunities?